Have you ever tried visiting a website on Microsoft Edge only to be met with the dreaded "your connection is not private" warning? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, let's check your computer's date and time. This might sound unrelated, but your browser relies on your system's date and time to verify website security certificates. If it's off, you could see this error. Press Windows plus I to open settings, go to time and language, then date and time, and make sure both set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. Once updated, restart Edge and try the site again. If that doesn't work, the next trick is to use in private mode. This opens a private browsing session that ignores cached data and extensions. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open a new in private window in Edge, then try visiting the site again. If it works, the issue is likely caused by your regular browsing data. That leads us to the next step, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings arrow Privacy, Search and Services arrow Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time, check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Now. This often removes whatever was causing the error. Finally, check your extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with secure connections. Disable all extensions, then re-enable them one by one to identify the culprit. Once found, consider removing or replacing it. And there you have it. By adjusting your date and time using in private mode, clearing your cache, or managing extensions, you can quickly fix the "your connection is not private" error and get back online safely. If this video helped you, give it a like and drop a comment if you have any questions or other issues you want me to cover. Your secure browsing experience is just a few clicks away.